Welcome to Building a Dream. This is not going to be a long episode. Episode 1 is called I Think I've Been Building ByteWriter Wrong. This is an episode of inner reflection. So I've been thinking a lot lately, actually more than I probably should. But if I'm going to be honest with you, over the last few months, I've been asking myself one question. What am I doing wrong? I've designed posters, I've built pitch decks, I wrote captions, I created videos, I've sent out broadcast messages, I've sent out emails, I have submitted pitches, posted on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. I've done all of these things that people will tell you what to do when you're trying to grow a business. And nothing happened. Or at least it feels like nothing. Very little engagement, very few inquiries, sometimes complete silence. Now, if you have ever built something from scratch, then you'll know exactly what that feels like. You put your heart into something, you press post, and then you wait. You check your phone, maybe someone commented, maybe someone shared it, maybe someone sent you a message. You're clinging on to that hope. And most of the time, nothing happens. And for a while, I thought maybe the problem was my work. Maybe my photography wasn't good enough. Maybe my videos weren't cinematic enough. Maybe my branding needed work. Maybe I needed better equipment. Or maybe I just wasn't good enough. Now that one hits slightly harder than the rest. But then something profound happened, right? I went to my favorite spot, trying to find the perfect picture, trying to capture that moment. And as I was sitting there, I was thinking about everything that I'm doing, not just my posts, everything. And then one thought actually hit me harder than anything else. And it was simple. People don't buy your camera, Grant. They buy you. And then I realized I've been asking people to trust my company, ByteWriter Media, before they ever had the chance to know the person behind it. So allow me to introduce myself properly. My name is Grant Harmse. Most people know me as Grant the ByteWriter. I am an award-winning filmmaker, journalist, producer, photographer, writer, director. But more than any of those titles, I am a storyteller. I don't capture photographs. I do, but I don't sell photography. I sell stories because I genuinely believe that stories has the power to change people. A story can preserve a family's history. A story can challenge injustice. A story can inspire someone who is ready to give up. A story can leave a legacy long after we are gone. And that is why I started ByteWriter Media. Not because I wanted to own a media company. No. But because I wanted to make sure that stories that matter are never forgotten. Faded, but not forgotten. Now here's the truth. ByteWriter Media isn't some huge company with a massive grand office. It's not a team of 50 people. It's still being built every day, one client at a time, one screenplay at a time, one documentary concept at a time, one photograph at a time, one opportunity at a time. Some days are exciting, I'm not gonna lie, but others are frustrating. Some days I question myself whether I'm doing the right thing. And I think it's okay to admit it, because social media has become the place where everyone only shows the wins, the awards, the sold out events, the big clients, the highlight reels. But that is not real life. It's not real. Real life is sending proposals that never gets answered. It is hearing no more than you would like. Real life is wondering if the sacrifice will eventually pay off. Real life is working late because you actually believe in something bigger than yourself. And that is the journey that I want to share with you. Not because I have all the answers, because I don't. Not because I have made it, because I haven't. But because someone watching this is building something too. Whether it's a business, a ministry, a career, a family, a dream that no one else can see it. If that is you, I want you to know that you're not building alone. So from today, we're going to do something different, right? No more pretending that everything is perfect. No more hiding behind polished posters. No more only showing the finished product. I'm inviting you behind the scenes of ByteWriter Media. Behind the scenes of building the dream. Not a dream, the dream. Because it could be applicable to you. You will see the victories. You will see the disappointments. You will see the client shoots, the documentary projects, the writing processes, the business decisions, the mistakes, the lessons learned, and everything else in between. Because one day, when ByteWriter has grown into everything I believe it can be, I want us to be able to look back to where it all started. Not just at the success, but at the very beginning. Because it is the beginning that matters. And maybe, just maybe, this video will remind someone that you don't need to have everything figured out before you begin. You only need the courage to take the next step. So this is me welcoming you, not just to a story of a business, but it is a story of building a dream. And I'm genuinely grateful that you are a part of it. So I'll see you in the next episode. This isn't just a story about a business. It is a story of building a dream. This is Grant, the ByteWriter, signing off.